students, in this video we are going to see the working of enhancement MOSFET, that to N channel. Here what we have to concentrate here is, in the previous video we have seen there was no channel here. I had written no channel diffused. Now in the working I have written electrically induced channel. We have to concentrate on the point how the electrical channel will be induced here. So to start with the working, we go for the biasing of the FET. What is that biasing is? We are going to make the source forward bias with respect to drain, which we have done here by connecting VDS. Voltage between drain and source is VDS. Voltage between gate and source we will take it as VGS. Now source should be forward bias with respect to drain and gate should be reverse bias with respect to source. We will say, as gate is insulated, we cannot exactly reverse bias this, as this is insulated from the channel. Now the working can be seen under two headings, as we have seen in the previous videos also. We will consider only VDS now, keeping VGS 0. Then we will see what happens. Then what will happen is, we will consider VDS along with VGS and we will see the working. Taking up the first heading, that is only VDS is applied, no VGS. Right. So here there will be no channel initially. Right. Here there will be no channel initially. I have applied the voltage VDS. Okay, no problem. This is a negative terminal. Electrons are here. They are going to get repelled from here and they are forced to move towards this side. If there was a channel, electrons would have flown from this end to this end and would have got attracted from the positive terminal of drain, and we would have got the flow of current ID flowing from source to drain, which we would have called it as ID, as we have done in the previous case. Now no ID is flowing, though the electrons are going to get repelled from this end, they are not going to reach this end and not going to complete the circuit because of the absence of the channel in between. Hope you are going to understand this. As there was no channel here, electrons cannot pass from this end to this end. No flow of electrons, no current. No current flowing in the FET means FET is off. When this FET is off? When we have not applied VGS here. Right? VGS is 0, FET is off, which I have clearly shown in the previous video. Now what we will do is, we will apply some positive VGS here. I have shown here positive terminal of the battery I have shown, means this positive VGS is applied between gate and the source. Now what happens is, because of this positive voltage applied here, this is P substrate, this is also P substrate, right? Before this electrically induced channel is there, this is also P type substrate, everything is P type here. So here positive voltage I have applied. So what it will do is, this positive voltage, it will repel the holes which are near to the SiO2 layer, which are adjacent to the SiO2 layer. This is your SiO2 layer, right? I have not written here, but this dotted line block which I am showing here, this is a SiO2 layer, which we have seen in the previous video. This SiO2 layer adjacent is, this is P type, right? So positive voltage, it is going to repel the electrons from this end. Sorry, it is going to repel the holes from this end. This is also positive charge, which is going to repel the positively charged positively charged holes from this end. So this region is depleted now. This region is completely depleted, no positive charge also here, because this has repelled the positive charge from this end. But at the same time, what it will do is, this positive terminal will attract the electrons from the P substrate into this area, which is adjacent to the SiO2 layer. This is going to attract the electrons from here to here. So now here there are electrons. Electrons means area covered with electrons is nothing but N channel. Can we imagine a channel here with the filled with the electrons? So this is N channel. So we say N channel is electrically induced because of the application of plus VGC. Plus VGC has attracted the electrons from this end into this, and it has depleted the holes from this area. It has depleted the holes from this area, but it has attracted the electrons into this area, creating or inducing a channel here. N channel is electrically induced here. Now as there is a channel available, ID can easily flow through this channel. So ID is flowing. ID is flowing means MOS FET is on. So you can say MOS FET, enhancement MOS FET will be on, means current will be flowing, current ID will be flowing through the MOS FET only when positive VGS is applied. If you apply no VGS, no channel, no flow of current. Similarly, think what happens if you apply minus VGS. Again minus VGS if you apply electrons here. First of all, there will be no electrons here, and if you are applying negative charge here, means it is going to attract the holes from here to here, means here holes you will be having. Right? No N channel will be created if you apply a minus VGS. In order to create a N channel here, you have to apply a plus VGS so that it will deplete the positive charge from this area and it will create a N channel in this area so that current can be made to flow. So what you should remember here is only by the application of positive VGS along with the VDS, channel will be induced, current starts to flow. Without VGS or with negative VGS, EMOS FET is going to be off. With VDS and with positive VGS, EMOS FET is going to be on. So, the minimum value of positive VGS in order to create this channel is called gate source threshold voltage. That is the minimum value of plus VGS required to induce a channel between these two blocks so that current can flow through here. That is called gate source threshold voltage, that is VGST, will indicate it by. So this is all about the working of enhancement MOS FET, that too N channel enhancement MOS FET. This is working. Remember, with VDS, no VGS, EMOS FET off. VDS minus VGS, FET, MOS FET is off. VDS only with the plus VGS, MOS FET will be on, that is enhancement MOS FET will be on because of this plus VGS, electrically the channel will be induced here, which is clearly written here. You can see here. If you remember these key points which are given in the notes, you can easily explain everything here. VGS 0, ID 0. VGS less than VGST means the minimum gate source threshold voltage in order to require to create a channel here, which I was explaining previously. Even whatever voltage you are applying, that is positive VGS, if it is less than that, current will be 0. If you apply equal to VGST or greater than VGST, then only ID starts to flow. That time you can say MOS FET is on, otherwise MOS FET is off. Now coming to the characteristics. You have seen so many FETs working. Drain characteristics, transfer characteristics similar to the previous FETs. Drain means VDS versus ID at constant VGS. Transfer means VGS versus ID at constant VDS. So drain, you can see VDS applied, ID is here. So you will get the current ID flowing through the MOS FET only when you apply plus VGS. So VGS values are shown here, plus, 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 plus. As you go on increasing VGS, current value goes on increasing. VGS plus 5 volts, current is there. Plus 4, current will be little less than that. Plus 1 volt, current starts to flow. Plus 2, it increases. Plus 3, still increase. Plus 4, further increase. Plus 5, further increase in the current. If it is less than this plus 1 volt, if you take 0, something like that, MOSFET is going to be off. And for application of VDS, as VDS is increased, ID goes on increasing. This we know, and but at particular VDS, ID remains constant. What you should remember is what values of VGS you are showing here, that you should remember. Positive values of VGS. As you go on increasing the value of VGS, current keeps on increasing. And this graph is very important here. See here, VGST I have shown here. What is this VGST? Minimum threshold gate source voltage to make the FET on. Below that value, current is 0. You can see the ID value is 0 here, less than VGST. But at VGST, this is VGS value only, which is shown as a threshold value. Only when you reach that value, from that the current starts to increase here, which you can see here. So positive VGS only I have shown because enhancement MOSFET needs plus VGC only. This is ID in milliamperes. I have not written here. You should write ID in milliamperes, VGS in volts, positive voltage. Until and unless you apply a minimum threshold voltage, current will be 0. Only when you reach that, current starts to increase. This is transfer characteristics. This is drain characteristics. Hope you have understood the characteristics after studying so many FETs. There will be little bit of confusion in remembering all types of FETs here. So if you remember these key points which are written after at the end of every notes, key note I have written. If you remember these, you can explain everything clearly. Almost all characteristics are same. Drain, transfer. Drain is VDS versus ID. Transfer is VGS versus ID. Everywhere. Drain means this versus this. Transfer means this versus this. Construction you remember. Construction you remember so that you can explain construction. If you remember, characteristics can be easily explained. This is what you should remember in case of all MOSFET. I can understand there will be a confusion for every MOSFET, but if you go through the notes and the videos sent to you, you can clearly remember what is the difference of one FET from the other. So in most of the question paper there is question on N channel JFET. Concentrate on that. Okay, thank you.